HiBREW 6-in-1 Capsule Coffee Machine, your versatile home cafe. The HiBREW 6-in-1 Capsule Coffee Machine, H1B, is a revolutionary appliance that brings the convenience and variety of a cafe directly to your kitchen. With its exceptional versatility and user-friendly design, this machine allows you to brew a wide range of coffee beverages with ease, catering to all your coffee cravings. Key features: 6-in-1 versatility. Enjoy the freedom to brew your favorite coffee using 6 different methods: Nespresso capsules, Dolce Gusto capsules, ground coffee, K-cup capsules, SE pods, cold brew, 20-bar high-pressure extraction. Experience rich, flavorful espresso with the powerful 20-bar pump pressure, ensuring optimal extraction and a velvety crema. Hot and cold brewing. Cater to your preferences with both hot and cold brewing capabilities, allowing you to enjoy a variety of coffee beverages year-round. Compact and stylish design. The sleek plastic housing and compact design make the HiBREW H1B a stylish and space-saving addition to any kitchen countertop. Easy to use and clean. The intuitive design and simple controls make brewing coffee a breeze. Removable components ensure easy cleaning and maintenance. Multiple cup capacity. Capable of brewing up to 5 cups, perfect for individual servings or small gatherings. Specifications: brand HiBREW, model H1B, housing material, plastic, capsule compatibility, Nespresso, Dolce Gusto, K-cup, ESE pods, ground coffee. Capacity: less than 5 cups. Pump pressure 20 bar. Brewing hot and cold. Benefits: unmatched versatility. Brew a wide range of coffee beverages with one machine. Barista quality espresso. Enjoy rich, flavorful espresso with the perfect crema. Convenient capsule and ground coffee compatibility. Use your preferred brewing method. Easy to use and clean. Simplify your coffee routine. Space-saving design. Perfect for any kitchen. Overall, the HiBREW 6-in-1 Capsule Coffee Machine, H1B, is an excellent choice for coffee lovers who value versatility, convenience, and quality. Its ability to brew a wide range of coffee beverages, combined with its user-friendly design and powerful extraction, makes it a valuable addition to any home.